Mission builders and service organizations face mounting pressure in terms of workforce shortages, machine complexity, and growing customer expectations for minimal downtime. So we looked at it and saw how we could solve this problem. We're showing 3 different use cases today. Starting with the first one, imagine you're a fleet operator managing a fleet of equipment ranging from excavators to trucks to diggers and so on. Over here, we're showing how you can quickly help analyze the issues causing your excavators going down and how quickly you can send those contextual information to your field operators so they can go quickly and fix those issues, ultimately helping reduce mean time to repair and mean time to respond.
So using agent orchestrators and also AI on cloud services, they can troubleshoot if a machine has a problem on site. And they can also, using Amazon Connect, reach out to remote operators to solve the problem. And these remote operators will be given the whole context to solve the problem. The second use case allows you to run some AI inference at the edge. So in environments where you have very low internet connectivity and where you require very low latency, you can create some vision models at the edge that can do some object detection. So using cameras, you can, for example, implement some safety measures for all your machines. Use case number 3 has a hybrid approach leveraging both cloud services and also edge inference. And it allows you to remotely control your machines using both teleoperation but also voice control with your natural language.
This end-to-end experience spanning real-time visibility, digital twins, voice control, edge intelligence, now allows machine builders, OEMs, and service organizations to be able to elevate their after-service offerings in this age of agentic and intelligent service.